Alright. My brother is going to drink hot sauce. Louisiana hot sauce. There he is. The master himself. Let's see. Louisiana hot sauce. Oh, wait, it's gone.
Rather used to keep loving the teeth.
Okay.
Let's see.
Who are you and what do you want?
More importantly, I know who you are, Phoebe.
To the dining room and suddenly lost my appetite.
We use it once a year for that.
We do.
Okay.
It was difficult.
People in Beard have been unable to give police.
Ready? Yep.
Good beans.
I'm guessing it was very hot. He's not playing with it. Oh my god. Are you good? Are you good? Here. Wait, where's your snow cone? Yeah. Drink some of your snow cone. Snow cone. That was the snow cone and the pickle juice that he ate. The pickle juice. Alright. Yeah. Bye. I said